Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in today's video, we are going to understand how to add Facebook leads to Google Sheets for healthcare equipment industry. So here let's assume that I have a medical equipment store and to promote it, I'm using Facebook lead ads. So here my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then I want to add the lead details in my Google Sheet. So now to do this, I need to build an integration between these two applications, for which I will be using this amazing integration and automation software, that is Pabbly Connect. So here my trigger application will be Facebook and my action application will be Google Sheets. So if you want to learn more about this integration, follow me through the screen.
In this video, we are going to understand how to add Facebook leads to Google Sheets for healthcare equipments industry. So here let's assume that I have a medical equipment store and to promote it, I'm using Facebook lead ads. So here my objective is that whenever I will receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then I want to add the lead details in my Google Sheet. So now to do this, I need to build an integration between these two applications, for which I will be using Pabbly Connect. So here as an existing user, I'm going to sign in, but if you are a new user, you can click on the sign up for free button and every month you are going to get 100 tasks for free. So as an existing user, I'm signing in. Now this here is the all applications page by Pabbly. So I will go to Pabbly Connect and click on access now to reach my dashboard. So this here is my dashboard, and to create a new workflow, I will go to my right hand side corner and click on this create workflow button. So now in this dialog box appearing, I need to give a name to my workflow. So here I'm going to name it as add Facebook leads to Google Sheets. And on my left hand side, you can see these are the folders which I've created before. So I want to save this workflow in the folder named as Facebook lead ads. So now here I'm going to click on create. So as I did that, now I have arrived on a very important window which consists of trigger and action. Basically, trigger and action are the two most important principles or concepts of Pabbly Connect, on which this entire automation and integration will depend. Trigger says when this happens, action says do this. Action is an automated response of your trigger application, and in a workflow, you can only have one trigger but multiple action applications. So now moving to my use case, that is to add Facebook leads to Google Sheets for healthcare equipments industry. So moving to my trigger window, as I'm promoting my medical equipment store with the help of Facebook lead ads, so Facebook lead ads will be my trigger application. And now the trigger event will be new lead instant. So the moment I'm going to receive a new lead, then this workflow is going to run automatically. So now moving ahead, as I want to add the Facebook lead ads details in my Google Sheets. So here in this action window, Google Sheets will be my action application, and here it is. And the action event will be to add a new row, because in a new row, I want to add the lead details. So here you can see I have selected my action application and the action event along with my trigger application and the trigger event. So now to move ahead with this automation, my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then I want to add the lead details in my Google Sheet. So now to do this, firstly, I need to establish a connection between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to click on connect. And now to add a new connection, I've already logged into my Facebook account in one of the tabs. So here simply I'm going to click on connect. And here you can see that the authorization is successful. So Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect is successfully connected. So now moving to page and the lead gen form. Here I need to select the Facebook page that I've created for my business and the lead gen form that is associated with my page. So this here is the page that I've created by the name of Lifecare Medical Equipments. So here in Pabbly Connect, firstly, I'm going to search for my page name as Lifecare Medical Equipments, and here it is. So after selecting my page, I need to select the lead gen form that is associated with my page. So here in Meta Business Suite, these are the two lead ads form. So I want to use this form by the name of medical equipment. So this is how the form looks like, and I want to use this lead ad form. So the name of this lead ad form is medical equipments. So here in Pabbly Connect, from this drop down, I'm going to select the lead gen form as medical equipments. And now once I've selected the page and the lead gen form associated with it, here I'm simply going to click on save and send test request. So now here you can see it is waiting for a webhook response. That means now I need to do a test submission or record so the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. So to do a test submission, I'm going to this new tab and here I'm going to search for Meta for developers. So now I will go to the page. And here in Meta for developers, I will go to my apps. And in my apps, I will go to tools. And under developer tools, I'm going to this lead ads RTO debug tool. So this here is the lead ads testing tool and this tool is going to test our integration. So here you can create a test lead to confirm that your integration is set up to receive data correctly. So now here from this page drop down, I'm going to search for my page that is by the name of Lifecare Medical Equipments. So here I'm searching for my page and here it is. So once I've selected my page, now I'm going to select the lead gen form associated, that is medical equipments. So now I'm going to click on preview form. So here this is the lead gen form and I've filled in the details like email, full name and a dummy phone number. So now here I'm going to click on next and now I'm going to click on submit. You can see it says thanks, you're all set. You can visit our website or exit the form now. So now it says your test lead has been sent. That means the test lead which I've just created is successfully captured in Pabbly Connect. So let me take you to Pabbly Connect. And here you can see I have received a response. And in this response, you can see the email ID, full name. Here is the phone number, created date and time along with some other details. So that means the test lead which I've just created is successfully captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So here the first objective of this automation is set up. That means now whenever a new lead will be received through Facebook lead ads, then that lead is going to get captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So this trigger will instantly capture the new incoming data and the workflow execution will start in real time. So as I've got the lead detail over here in Pabbly Connect, so now going to my action window. So as I want to add the lead details in my Google Sheet in a new row, so to do that, firstly, I need to establish a connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to click on connect. And now to add a new connection, I will simply sign in with my Google account. Here I'm going to click on allow as this is a secure access. And now you can see that the authorization is successful. So now moving to these details of select spreadsheet and the select sheet part. So here this is the Google Sheet that I've created by the name of Facebook Leads New. It consists of 3 columns and of 1 sheet. So the 3 columns is for lead email, lead name and the phone number. So here in Pabbly Connect, firstly I'm going to select the spreadsheet at Facebook Lead New. And over here the selected sheet is automatically sheet 1 because in our Google Sheet only 1 sheet was there. So now over here moving to the details of lead email, lead name and the phone number. So here I'm going to use the process of mapping. So basically mapping is to insert the data from previous steps. So as I've received the response from Facebook lead ads, so here I'm going to map the lead email. Now moving to the lead name, again from the response received, I'm going to map it and now the phone number and I've mapped it. So as I've mapped all of these details, this method of mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response with new data, so that data can be taken into consideration in these fields. If I would have written this information manually, in that case this information would have become static, which means that it wouldn't change even if I would have received a new response. So to avoid that problem, we map the information. So now here I'm simply going to click on save and send test request. And here you can see that I have received a response and this here is a positive response. So now I'm going to take you to my Google Sheet. So here in this Google Sheet, you can see that in a new row, the lead details is successfully added. That means the test lead which I have just created is successfully added over here in this Google Sheet in a new row. So this integration and automation is a successful one. That means now whenever a new lead will be received through Facebook lead ads, then automatically the lead details will be added in Google Sheets in a new row.
Not just these applications, you can integrate a lot more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you have any doubts regarding Pabbly, reach us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can visit us at forum.pabbly.com. If you have any pricing related query, you can visit this link. So if you like this video, please share it with your friends and colleagues and do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.